Hi all, we are going to learn inverse Laplace transforms. Definition: if the Laplace transforms of a function f of t is capital F of s, we write L of f of t equal to capital F of s. Then this f of t we call it as inverse Laplace transform of capital F of s. That is, which is denoted by f of t is L inverse of capital F of s. So L inverse is the inverse operator. We will see some formulas. L inverse of 1 by s minus a, we write it as e power at, where it comes from Laplace direct formula. L of e power at equal to 1 by s minus a. When I bring L to the opposite side, I will get e power at equal to L inverse of 1 by s minus a. The same way here I can write it as L inverse of 1 by s plus a equal to e power minus at. Then L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is sin at by a. L inverse of s by s square plus a square is cos at. Then L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square is sin h at by a. Then L inverse of s by s square minus a square is cos h at. And we have L inverse of 1 by s is 1. L inverse of 1 by s square equal to t. L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1, we write it as t power n by n factorial, where 1 by s minus a whole square, L inverse of this function is t into e power at. Some problems on linear property. Find L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 plus 1 by s plus s by s square minus 4 3. By applying linear property, I can write it as this constant can be taken outside here. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 3, second term L inverse of 1 by s, and splitting L inverse of s by s square minus 4. Now this is the direct formula. We can write it as instead of a we have 3. So the formula is e power at. So a is 3 e power 3t. L inverse of 1 by s is nothing but 1. L inverse of s by s square minus 4 is nothing but here we are having a minus in the formula, which is cos h at. What is a here? 2. So it is cos h 2t. Now we have written in a proper way. Second problem, find L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 by s plus 4 plus 1 by s square plus 4 and s by s square minus 9. So we split into 4 terms. Apply L inverse for all 4 terms. L inverse of 1 by s square is t. It's a direct formula. L inverse of 1 by s plus 4. Here a is 4. So we get e power minus 4t. And L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. 1 is on the numerator, which represents sine formula, where a is 2. So the formula is sine at by a. A is 2. So sine 2t by 2. Then here L inverse of s by s square minus 3 square, which is nothing but cos h at is 3. So cos h 3t. Then find L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 by 2 plus s by s square minus 1. Split into 2 parts, L inverse of first term and L inverse of second term. We get the answer, which is nothing but L inverse of 1 by s minus a, which is nothing but e power minus e power at. What is a? 3 by 2, e power 3 by 2 into t. And here it is a minus and s in the numerator. We can write cos h of at. What is a? 1. So cos h t. That is a formula for second term. Next, L inverse of s by s plus 2 whole square plus 1. Here, this like this we don't have any formula. So, but in the place of s you are having a plus 2. So we have to make s place as s plus 2. So on adding and subtracting on the numerator by 2, we get s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 1. And this minus 2 I am taking into a separate term. Minus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 whole square plus 1. 2 can be taken outside. Now we got this is nothing but s plus 2. We can write it as, we can take this 2 outside by taking e power minus 2t into L inverse of s by s square, where s plus 2 changes to s by s square plus 1. Here also this s plus 2 can be taken outside, e power minus 2t into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1, which is nothing but sin t formula, and this is cos t formula. Now taking commonly outside e power minus 2t, we get cos t minus 2 into sin t. Same way, L inverse of s minus 3 by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. Here s minus 3, denominator also we have s minus 3. So this 3 can be taken outside by writing e power 3t into L inverse of s by s square plus 4. This is nothing but here 4 is 2 square. So it's nothing but cos formula cos 80 e power 3t into cos 2t. Then find L inverse of s by s minus b whole square plus a square. Here on the numerator we don't have s minus b. Then only we are able to take a b outside. So add and subtract b minus b plus b and take s minus b by s minus. This problem is similar to third problem. Here we have added 2 and minus 2. Same way here we are doing minus b and plus b. So s minus b that can be taken outside e power bt. L inverse of s by s square plus a square. Here b into e power bt L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, which is nothing but sin 80 by a. A is here a only and this is cos 80. Thank you.